Pour baking soda on your bed and see what happens. The modern market is full of various cleaning products that can harm your health. However, you can easily find a safe cleanser in your kitchen, which is capable of creating a real miracle in your house. Yes, we're talking about baking soda. Here are the most unusual ways of using baking soda that will help you avoid costly dry cleaners. First, let's see the main benefits of baking soda. Baking soda costs almost nothing. It's absolutely non-toxic. Baking soda absorbs dirt and moisture. It can replace a lot of cleaning products. Baking soda can kill a lot of microorganisms, and it quickly removes any unpleasant odors. Doesn't this sound impressive? Using just baking soda, you can clean everything in your house: your carpets, soft furniture, and even your bed. First, let's see how to clean carpet and soft furniture. Here's the recipe. You'll need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of washing powder, that's optional, 1 cup of warm boiled water, 4 to 5 tablespoons of 9% vinegar. Then take a container and mix the baking soda and washing powder. Then pour a cup of warm boiled water and add vinegar. The mixture foams actively, so use a large container to prepare it. Thoroughly mix everything and pour the solution into a water sprayer. Vacuum the carpet or soft furniture. Spray the resulting solution for 5 to 10 seconds. Then remove the liquid with a sponge. If necessary, rub any problem areas. Repeat until you get the desired result, but make sure the liquid doesn't soak the fabric. Now, let's see what will happen if you pour baking soda directly on your bed. You probably never heard about it, but you can easily clean your mattress with just 1 package of baking soda. This way of cleaning a mattress will remove dirt, sweat, dead skin cells, dust, and unpleasant odors. Let's see how it works. First, vacuum the entire mattress. Then, using a sifter, evenly distribute 1 package of baking soda. If desired, you can add 10 to 15 drops of an essential oil over the entire surface. Leave the mattress covered with all of it for several hours, preferably for a day. Then, vacuum it carefully to collect all the baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is truly an amazing substance. It has all of these amazing benefits, and it's also friendly on the environment. You can clean the whole house using just 1 product. However, keep in mind that you can use baking soda and vinegar solution for any fabrics, except for natural. Baking soda is also very useful for your laundry, for cleaning the kitchen, for removing odors, for cooking, for curing some ailments, for your skin and hair, and for your teeth. Want to know more benefits of such an amazing product? Then hit the like button and leave a comment below. Don't forget to click subscribe if you're visiting our